In 1815, a volcanic eruption in Indonesia led to the year without a summer. Crops failed, and famine spread across Europe and North America. Amidst this chaos, Mary Shelley found herself in a Swiss villa with friends, including Lord Byron. They challenged each other to write ghost stories. Shelley's tale, inspired by the eerie weather and personal loss, became Frankenstein, a cornerstone of Gothic literature. How did a volcanic eruption shape literary history? This story reminds us of the unexpected ways nature influences art, leaving a legacy that endures beyond the initial disaster.